Welcome. If you've noticed your Gmail inbox feels a little cluttered and want to keep it tidy, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to empty your spam folder in the Gmail app, ensuring those unwanted emails don't hang around longer than necessary. This guide is quick, easy to follow, and updated for the latest version of the Gmail app. Let's get started. Take out your phone and make sure the Gmail app is installed and updated. First, open the Gmail app. You'll find the familiar envelope icon. Tap it to launch your inbox. Once you're inside, look to the very top left of your screen for the menu icon. It looks like 3 stacked horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. Give that a tap. A menu will slide out, displaying a long list of options. Scroll down through the categories until you see spam. If you haven't visited this folder before, you might have to scroll past folders like Sent, Drafts, and all your different labels. Once you find spam, tap on it. Inside the spam folder, you'll see a collection of emails that Gmail has flagged as suspicious or unwanted. At the top of this screen, you'll spot an option that says Empty Spam Now. Tapping this will remove all the emails in the spam folder at once. Gmail will ask you to confirm. This is just to make sure you don't delete anything accidentally. Hit confirm to finalize the process. That's it. Your spam folder is now completely empty, and you've just ensured that junk mail isn't taking up valuable storage space on your account. Doing this regularly helps your Gmail app stay organized and makes it easier to spot important emails. Plus, it's always a good feeling to clear away digital clutter. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to stay tuned for more easy tech tips. Keeping your inbox clean has never been so simple.